Who could that be? I'm trying to cook the food. Who could that be? Hello? Hey, SpongeBob. Oh, hey, Patrick. What are you doing here? Well, I just want you to check it out, my new parrot. You have a parrot, Patrick? Yeah, of course I have a parrot. Okay, well, hello, Mr. Parrot. Hello, Mr. Parrot. It copies every time you talk? Yes, of course. So, try it, SpongeBob. You should try it. Hello? Hello? Let me try, SpongeBob. I'm Patrick. I'm Patrick. Yeah. Now you try it, SpongeBob. Let me try. It's a funny one, Patrick. It's a funny one? Yeah, I'll show the parrot. I'm SpongeBob SquarePants. I'm SpongeBob SquarePants.